Hello, Math Maniacs. Here we have a problem. It says Nathan worked 40 hours for $15 per hour. He paid $83.30 in federal tax, $37.20 in Social Security tax, $8.70 in Medicare tax, and had $100 taken out for insurance. What was his, sorry about that, Nathan. What was his net pay? All right, so to find this out, we know that we're going to take gross pay minus deductions, so in other words, the amount you earn, minus the amount that's taken out, leaves you with net pay. And we said another word for net pay is take-home pay. I put way instead of pay. Oops. Sorry about that. There we go. Pay, not way. All right, so let's fill in what we know. Gross pay, we don't know, but we can figure it out. We know that gross pay is made up of the hourly rate times the hours. So here I'm going to say 40 times 15 to get his gross pay, or how much he earned. So I put that in my calculator, 40 times 15, and his gross pay is 600 bucks. All right, his deductions. Well, let's look at his deductions. What are his deductions? What things were taken out of his paycheck? Well, federal tax was taken out. Social Security tax was taken out. Medicare tax was taken out. And he also had $100 taken out for health insurance. So I'm going to add all those together. I'm going to say $83.30 plus $37.20 plus $8.70 plus $100 equals his deductions. So let me put that in my calculator. 83.3 plus 37.2 plus 8.7 plus 100, and I got $229.20, $229.2. All right, so now my job is just to, I'm going to do gross pay, which we found is 600, minus the deductions to get the net pay. So I'm going to put in my calculator 600 minus 229.20. So he earned $600, but he had $229.20 in deductions taken out. So his take-home pay, or his check, is for $370.80. Hope that helps.